Seriously, you gotta be.
Why'd you point your gun at me, man?
Then I did the light thing. I thought I had
terrified.
the light thing.
I was what light thing?
The flicky flicky. The flicky
Why is there a
friendly
dead body
flicky.
here? Why is there a dead body right here?
I don't know, but it doesn't have anything on it, and I think it was. Watch, guy coming down the alley. Coming down the alley. Coming down the alley. Coming down the alley.
Chill.
Yo, what's up, man?
What up, man?
Chilling.
It was all chaos there.
You can leave the button. We can all leave. We can all leave.
I feel like I'm about to get shot. Yep.